Cooper at DSI Automotive, and today we're talking about pet hair removal tools. Starting with the pet hair remover stone from SM Arnold, this will remove pet hair with ease and push it around, which you can use on seats, furniture, carpets, and is 5 inches in length. Some of the hair may stick to it as well for easy removal. Now going on with the 4-in-1 mini pet hair removal diamond, you will notice it has 4 different sides with 4 different edges. Start with the side with the larger teeth, moving around to the smaller until it's the smooth silicone edge. The 4-in-1 has a very comfortable handle and is easy to use. Now taking a look at the 6-inch pet hair removal brush, you'll see that this is great for wide spaces and is also great for sharp corners. This brush features 2 rows of teeth and have angular ends. This also features a very comfortable built-in grip. Taking a look at the high-tech pet hair brush, which is made of rubber, which ensures effective pickup without damaging surfaces, and will grab onto and will not let go of the pet hair. This is great for tight, hard-to-reach spaces. It has a very sturdy construction for long-lasting performance and is a compact size which allows for easy storage. Moving on to the Brite Fur-EEL Pro 2.0 pet hair vacuum attachment, you will notice I have it attached to my shop vac. This product connects to 90% of most vacuums and is made of a polymeric silicone which will pull hair, lint, and sand. Looking to get wider surfaces, you can look at the Brite Fur-EEL Hammerhead pet hair vacuum attachment. The Hammerhead is 6 inches wide and is also made of the same polymeric silicone as the Fur-EEL Pro 2.0. As you can see, all of these tools are available in different styles and sizes to fit any task at hand.